Hello there. I hope you all are fine. So you might be thinking of doing a business because your needs are a lot and your pockets are empty. So this is the business made for you. Dropshipping. So what is it to be like doing dropshipping and what this term means, how to do it, you might be wondering. So here is the answer to all those questions of yours. Dropshipping is a process in which dropshipper works as a third person. More simply, let's explain that with an example. So suppose one colleague of yours wants to buy a pack of biscuits, but has no idea where to buy it from. So you will go get the biscuit pack costing you $2 and you will sell him for $3. So in this process, $1 was profit you earned. As we know that this world has modernized and turned into a global village, so in this world, business is also now performed online. That's what helps expanding opportunity of dropshipping. Now people sitting at home buy the products of their desire. And so the dropshipping has also turned online. So now following are the top 3 best dropshipping platforms known. Number 1. WooCommerce, used by 30% online users. Number 2. Shopify, used by 18% online users. Number 3. Magneto, used by 9% and remaining 43% comprises of others.